Who's gonna keep me warm? When it got cold, I could find you. Who's gonna keep me warm? When it was cold, I could find you.
What's up, good people? Welcome to the Spread the Love channel, creating content to inspire. Today, I want to talk to you guys about manufacturers, Pakistani manufacturers versus Chinese manufacturers. My experience with them. I've been dealing with Pakistani manufacturers the last 6 years, and with my Pakistani manufacturer, I've grossed over $500,000. So I'm pretty experienced with dealing with Pakistan manufacturers. I have built a great relationship with my Pakistani manufacturer. He even sent me orders without me even sending the money. He just looks out for me. He's kind of almost like family now, over distant family. Um, I just started dealing with Chinese manufacturers not too long ago, as far as with sweatsuits and apparel. I have been doing accessories with Chinese manufacturers, as far as hats, as far as socks, as far as what else have I done with a Chinese manufacturer? Beanies, just little accessories like that. You know, I have dibble and dabble. My experience with Pakistani manufacturers are that my Pakistani manufacturer messes up something almost every order. Almost every order is something messed up. If you don't give them a very, very detailed order sheet, I mean, down to the colors, down to the sizing of the length of the shirt, to the width of the shirt, to the length of the sleeves, to the placement of the labels, to the inches, of the logo, the size of the logo, the placement of the logo, how many logos you want to place, how far away do you want this logo placed from this logo. Um, it's so much stuff that you have to have down to a T when you send to these Pakistani manufacturers, that they won't ask about. I'll say that they won't ask about before your order, and they'll ship your order and then say, well, you didn't put that in the order sheet, or you didn't put that on the sheet when you send it to me. Um, and then your whole order is messed up and you can't really do nothing about it, to be honest. I had it, like I said, I got a good manufacturer, so he'd send me a whole new order if he messed up. You know what I'm saying? And then the fact that I was sending in so much money, I'm spending $8,000 to $10,000 a month at the time with him, so he ain't had no choice but to come back with another order. And then on top of that, I had the order that he messed up. You know what I'm saying? That wasn't to my liking, but that I could sell. I still had that order. You know what I'm saying? So that happened a lot of the times too, where I came up on top. Um, I will say that he is very efficient. He doesn't give me a problem. He doesn't try to befriend me. A lot of Pakistani manufacturers try to befriend you. They want to call you bro. They want to act like they your friend off the break. You know. Then they want to overcharge you as far as how much quantity you can get. Some of them tell you 30 and 50. Some of them tell you 50 to 100. And really, you can get down to 15 to 20. My manufacturer does 15 to 20. So it's very helpful on me when I want to do different colors. So if I want to do 5 colors, all I gotta do is get 15 of each color instead of 30 of each color. Um, so it's big. It's a big help on me. My experience with Chinese manufacturers are the exact opposite, really. Also, a couple of other things with Pakistani manufacturers, they always try to befriend you. You can't use your credit cards. You can't use your credit card at all unless you go through. I think you can use it through MoneyGram, but it's a fee. Um, and then I think if you use it through MoneyGram or Western Union, you only could use your. You can't take the money off of the credit card. You only could use the cash reserves on the credit card. You know what I'm saying? So, excuse me. You only could use the cash reserves on a credit card. So, that's a big problem as well. With Chinese manufacturers, you can use your credit card. You can get refunded. If they mess up, you can put in a claim with Alibaba. That's what I use, Alibaba, to go get my Chinese manufacturers. If you go to Alibaba, you can find so much stuff. Type in the search bar whatever you want to. You can find a manufacturer that makes that. You can put your logo on it and sell it. Just that easy. With the Pakistani manufacturers, a lot of them are on Instagram, and it's kind of hard to find different manufacturers that do different stuff. Like as far as like if you wanted some denim pants or denim jackets or something, like my manufacturer doesn't do denim as well as another manufacturer might do denim, or a manufacturer from Turkey might do denim, or a manufacturer from China might do denim a little better. Um, so it's easier to find a lot on Alibaba in one place, so that's a plus. You can use your credit card. You can get refunded if they mess up the orders. Um, you can go to the different manufacturers that are certified. They verified. If you see it, they right on the picture says verified, meaning Alibaba went to their site, inspected their site. They also got a new thing where they make the companies put up videos of the products now, so you can actually see the products. So it's very, very helpful. You can see the exact product you're getting, put your logo on it, or put a twist on it and sell it. Put it out there and sell it. Put some good promotion on it and sell it. Um, so I highly recommend going to Chinese manufacturers, just cutting out the middleman. Because Pakistan goes to China to get the fabric anyway. So they order from China, you know. So I might order from my manufacturer. I might order 5 different color hoodies, but the hoodies don't come in the same GSM because the fabric that he has, he doesn't have, or he doesn't have access to all of the fabric. He has to get it from somebody else that's in China. So why not go straight to the source? It's going to cost you a little bit more. For example, I just paid $275 for a sweatsuit sample. That was with the shipping included. So, excuse me. All right, I'm back. I was a little parched there, excuse me there. But like I was saying, I might order um, something from my Pakistani manufacturer, and I might get 5 colors, and they're not all the same GSM. So why not cut out the middleman and go straight to China? Like I said, it might cost a little more, but they got what you need. Like my sample that I paid $275 for, I just got a sample in that I paid $275 for, which is a lot more than the Pakistani manufacturers. I might pay $110 for a sample, a sweatsuit sample. But I just paid $275 from China. But the quality of this hoodie is remarkable. The way it feels on your skin is remarkable. The way the hoodie falls when you lay it down, you could just tell the difference in the quality of the fabric. I thought I already had good quality, which I do, but this is next level right here. You go straight to the source. This is next level fabric right here, straight to the source. So I don't mind paying a little extra. I'm gonna pay a little extra from the here on out because yeah, this is it. So I just kind of wanted to tap in with you guys, let you guys know, man, the difference between the Pakistani and the Chinese manufacturers, man. And let you guys know not to waste your time with the Pakistani manufacturers. A lot of them are good. It's cool to maybe build a relationship with one of them. Maybe they can get different things that you might want, you know what I'm saying? But I will go straight to the Chinese manufacturer if you haven't already. Now, if you already have one like I do, I probably keep mine, for small things. When I need something fast, I go to him or whatever. But other than that, I'm finding my manufacturers over here in China. I'm going to find denim manufacturers. I'm going to find sweatsuit manufacturers. I'm going to find hat manufacturers. And I'm getting them, building relationships with them over here at Alibaba, and I think that's the thing to do to build a relationship so you can get what you need and they can send it out faster and you can get better. They can make sure that if your relationship is good with them, they'll make sure your product is right. So yeah, so with that being said, man, thank you for joining the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. I ain't say that the whole video. I'm tripping. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, man. I'm just starting my channel back up, man. I'm gonna have more videos for you soon. Yeah, so spread the love.